Welcome to Easy English. Today we shall study Unit 3, Reading Section C from our English reader for class 10th. Let us study the chapter An Open Letter to the Teacher from a Child with Autism, posted by Karen Wern. Let us know the meanings of some important words. Autism means mental disorder that affects children. मानसिक विकार जो बच्चों को प्रभावित करता है. Flops, which means stops, बंद हो जाना. Schedule, which means timetable, समय सारिणी. Distract, which means disturb. विचलित. Gentle voice, which means soft spoken, कोमल आवाज. Scared, which means frightened, भयभीत. Social skills, which means skills that are necessary in order to communicate and interact with others. सामाजिक कौशल. Communications, the act of sharing or exchanging information. संचार. Let us read the lesson. My 13-year-old son Louis, a child with autism, has decided to write an open letter to a teacher. He didn't know where to start, so I asked him what he likes and does not like about school. I asked him what a teacher should and should not do. I asked him how he feels in school and what type of help he needs. In the communications between home and school, the student's voice is sometimes lost. But this is the most important voice. Louis was not always able to express his thoughts orally or on paper. That's why I feel honored to hear his voice now. Characters in the lesson. Louis, a child with autism. Teacher of Louis. Dear teacher, thank you for helping me learn. I love to go to school. When I go to school, I notice that you give me a smile. You say hello in a gentle voice that makes me feel happy. Dear teacher, मुझे स्कूल जाना पसंद है क्योंकि आप मुझे देखकर मुस्कुराती हैं और सौम्य आवाज में मुझे हेलो बोलती हैं. I need help focusing in class. My brain sometimes flops. मुझे कक्षा में ध्यान केंद्रित करने मदद चाहिए. मेरा मस्तिष्क कभी-कभी काम करना बंद कर देता है. Sometimes I feel tired and I don't know why. Sometimes I get distracted when people move around. पता नहीं, कभी-कभी मैं थक जाता हूँ और कभी-कभी मैं विचलित हो जाता हूँ जब लोग इर्द-गिर्द घूमते हैं. Lights and noises sometimes distract me. I like it when you turn off the lights. You should use a gentle voice. रोशनी व तेज आवाज के कारण मेरा ध्यान भटक जाता है. मुझे तब अच्छा लगता है जब आप लाइट ऑफ कर देती हैं. I work a lot. I feel like I am working all the time. Hard work makes me feel tired. I need a break to walk around. लगातार काम करने से मैं बोझिल महसूस करता हूँ. मुझे बीच-बीच में विश्राम की आवश्यकता महसूस होती है. You should always tell the truth. आपको हमेशा सत्य बोलना चाहिए. One time I had a teacher who liked to say, "Good job." I tested her. I gave her wrong answers. She kept saying, "Good job." She was not telling the truth. मेरी एक टीचर थी जो हमेशा गुड जॉब कहना पसंद करती थी. मैंने एक बार उन्हें गलत उत्तर दिया, फिर भी उन्होंने गुड जॉब कहा. वह असत्य कह रही थी. When I make a mistake now, you always say, "You have to try again." That is telling the truth. I like it when you tell the truth. जब मैं गलती करता हूँ, आप मुझे फिर से कोशिश करो कहती हैं. यह सत्य है. मुझे अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि आप सत्य कहती हैं. I don't like missing class to go to social skills or speech. I like my regular schedule. I want to be with the other students in my class. I want to learn with the teacher. मुझे सामाजिक कौशल में जाने के लिए अपना क्लास मिस करना पसंद नहीं है. मुझे अपना नियमित शेड्यूल पसंद है. मैं अन्य बच्चों के साथ उसी कक्षा में बैठकर पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. मैं अपने शिक्षक के साथ सीखना चाहता हूँ. I like lunch club. Lunch club is part of my schedule. I do not have to miss class to go to lunch club. मुझे लंच क्लब पसंद है. यह मेरे नियमित कार्यक्रम में शामिल है. मुझे लंच क्लब जाने के लिए क्लास मिस नहीं करना पड़ता है. I feel confused when I have to talk to other students. I like to be around other students. But I don't know what to say. मुझे साथी बच्चों के साथ बात करना अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ. Words can hurt me sometimes. कभी-कभी शब्द मुझे चोट पहुंचा सकते हैं. When I was in preschool, I asked my teacher where my mom was. The teacher said, "Your mother is gone." I felt scared. जब मैं प्री स्कूल में था, मैंने अपने टीचर से पूछा कि मेरी माँ कहाँ है. तब टीचर ने कहा कि वह चली गई. मैं भयभीत हो गया. I like it when you tell me I like to work with you. I like it when you look in my eyes. I like it when you answer my questions very carefully. मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब आप मुझसे कहती हैं कि मुझे तुम्हारे साथ काम करना पसंद है. मुझे पसंद है जब आप मेरी आंखों में देखती हैं. मुझे पसंद है जब आप मेरे प्रश्नों का उत्तर ध्यान से देती हैं. I like to try new things at school. स्कूल में मुझे नए-नए काम करने की कोशिश करना पसंद है. I need someone to help me learn how to try. नई चीजों पर कैसे कोशिश की जाए यह सीखने के लिए मुझे किसी की मदद की जरूरत पड़ती है. After I learn how, I can do it on my own. इसे कैसे करना है यह सीखने के बाद उसे स्वयं कर सकता हूँ. That means you are a good teacher. Your friend Louis. यह ओपन लेटर को फ्रेंडशिप सर्कल के ब्लॉग में पोस्ट किया गया था। यह पोस्ट पढ़ने के बाद कई कमेंट्स आए थे, जिसमें एक बर्नार्ड डॉन के भी थे। Let us do comprehension. Take the features that represent Louis' nature. First, he does not make mistakes. Second, he feels shy when he is with other students. Third, he does not like strong lights. Fourth, he loves to be alone. Fifth, he is confused when he has to talk to others. Sixth, he likes honest people. Seventh, he does not want people to look into his eyes. ये 7 सेंटेंस दिए हुए हैं। इसमें लुई के नेचर के साथ कौन कौन से फीचर सही हैं? तो इसमें आंसर क्या क्या होंगे? थर्ड वाला सेंटेंस पढ़िए। He does not like strong lights. ये लुई के नेचर के साथ मैच कर रहा है, तो इसमें टिक का निशान लगा लीजिए। उसके बाद फिफ्थ, he is confused when he has to talk to others. इसमें टिक लगा लीजिए। उसके बाद सिक्स्थ, he likes honest people. इसमें टिक का निशान लगा लीजिए। अब सेकंड क्वेश्चन, choose the correct options from the brackets and fill in the blanks. A. Louis does not like to miss his dash. ब्रैकेट में 2 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, रेगुलर शेड्यूल, सोशल स्किल क्लासेस। इसमें कौन सा सही होगा? आंसर रेगुलर शेड्यूल। B. Louis likes the teacher speaking in dash voice. इसमें 2 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं, लो, जेंटल। इसमें कौन सा सही होगा? The correct answer is gentle. C. Louis is distracted by dash. 2 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं, noises, cars. लुई किससे डिस्ट्रैक्ट होता था? आंसर है noises. D. Louis sometimes dash by words. इसमें 2 ऑप्शन है, hurt, pleased. इसका सही उत्तर है hurt. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What problem does Louis have? Answer. Louis was not able to express his thought as he was suffering from autism. Question number 2. Why does Louis need a break? Answer. Louis needs a break to walk around as he felt tired when he worked hard. Question number 3. Does Louis appreciate praise without doing anything? Comment. Answer. No. Louis does not appreciate praise without doing anything. It will not help him to improve. Question number 4. Why does not Louis want to go to social skills or speech? Answer. Louis does not want to go to social skills or speech because he likes his regular routine, sitting in the classroom with other students and learning from teachers. Fifth question. When did Louis feel scared? Answer. Louis felt scared when he comes to know from teacher that his mother was not around him. Question number 6. Why does Louis say the teacher is good? Answer. Louis likes to learn and try new things. The teacher helped him to learn, so he says the teacher is good. Learn the keywords of the lesson. Memorize the answers of the question to score good marks. Thank you for watching my video. If you found the lesson helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up in YouTube and share with friends. Well, I think that's about it. I will be back with more videos. I want to thank you once again.